Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be different from the other ones. I'm not going to show you videos of my travels. However, I'm going to show you how I edit my 360 videos using one Insta360 Studio. So as you can see, I already uploaded my footage to the studio app, and here I have an example. So I'm just gonna show you how to how I add this keyframe so you can have like a 360 view. So I'm just gonna play a little bit so you can have a sense of what it looks like. So here you can see that the camera is moving and it's like you're having a drone or the 360. So that's pretty much, and then I'm just gonna delete this one, and this one. So this is the raw footage, and so basically if you play it here, it's gonna be only one side of the camera, like only one direction, and you want this to move like a 360, right? So you can start moving, you can start seeing everything, the 360 view. So for that, so I'm gonna go to the start of the video and I'm gonna add, so the way you add a keyframe is using this button here. So actually I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna go to the start of the video and I'm gonna add. And then I'm gonna move this, gonna show you the angles, and I want my video to start in this direction. And then here I can stop, and then I can move to see where I want the next transition to be like. And I'm gonna add this keyframe. So if you start from here, you're gonna start seeing the transition. And now I can add another keyframe here. So it's gonna move this way. So I can actually, you can play it around and see how it looks, the transition. And then I can add one more here. I'm gonna play the video. Gonna stop and add another keyframe. And it's gonna finish on this side. So if you start at the beginning, you're gonna start seeing all the transitions. And this is how I look like. And then you can just trim if you want the video to stop there, or if you want more 360 transitions, you can do that. So for this reason, I'm just gonna stop it there, and I'm gonna mark the end point. Also, I want to show you that in this lines, yellow lines, you can choose the transition. There's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's the none option that you can do. This is gonna show you how the video or the transition is gonna be. You can try each of them one and see which one is better for your video. It depends on your preference. So after that, I'm gonna also mention that here you can choose if you want 9:16 ratio, which is for short. I mean, if you're gonna upload your video to YouTube, this is the short version, and then this is the 69 is the video version. So if you are satisfied with your video, you go to export, and then you can choose the folder you want to save your video, and then choose all your settings for your video, and then click start export, and then it's gonna add it to the task center. And see here you can see the progress of the saving. Once it's finished, it's gonna save it to your folder. And this is the sound that the video is completed. So then you can go to the folder and find your video. So this is pretty much how I edit my 360 videos using one 360 Studio. It's really simple, and if you want to learn more, you can watch more tutorials of how to use the Studio app. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope this is helpful. Bye!